Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video, the Black Dragon 18 technique. This Kung Fu style have 18 movements. Every single movement is very powerful and useful for fight. More for attack and less for defense. And the best way to defense is attack. This Kung Fu style is used to be for army self-defense practice. It's so popular 30 years ago. Recently, less people to practice and almost lost this arts. So today, I'm gonna bring it back. The Black Dragon 18 technique. Let's go. Let's talk about the first movement, 青龙探爪. 青龙探爪 meaning is black dragon attack by the dragon hand. The dragon hand is between the tiger hand and the eagle. So just relax your 3 fingers, this is 2 hands on the top. This is the dragon hand. So the first move, opening, you go shoom. So this is the opening move. Your hand from the top go down 45 and your right hand go down and you cross down left hand on the top and you pull back, come back to your waist from here and you go. The dragon hand can attack by right here, or the eye. It's a simple movement, but the simple is the best. This left hand to grabbing is some attack. Go grabbing and you pull back, your right hand ready and you go. That speed, you can squeeze it to anywhere you attacked him. So the second one is 龙女照镜. Your right hand to make circle from down and go up, like you look at the mirror. At the same time, so your feet is straight, kick to the forward, your toe up, like this. Alright, so we'll come back. Okay, thank you Zihao for coming to assist me the new video, the Black Dragon, the 18 technique. So for this move, the 玉女照镜, the Black Dragon, look at the mirror. So this is a defense movement. If someone punch me, you say I can lock right here, and then boom, I kick, I take down the person just like. Wow, that is a good idea, Zihao. Yeah, so say the real application follows the real situation, just like this. So follow us for more fight. two, yeah, for this part, we have a 3 move for the 怪猛翻身. Clearly, you can see this is a wrestling movement. So you go grabbing, and you twist, then you go. So you go a takedown with the wrestling part. The first move also you use the elbow. That is a powerful elbow if you're close to someone like this. So you got step in, and you use your waist and the power out. So that's how you use. Okay, so let's do it. Come on, Zihao, let's fight. Oh, good job, Zihao. Good job, Zihao.
Good job.
We have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Are you, my friend?
Yeah. Now we gotta show you the wrestling part.
Yeah!
Wow! Oh my gosh!
Okay, so now we got to show you the next technique, the wrestling part, 蟒蛇翻身. So, in this technique, my both hand can be really grabbing right here, and I can trip him. Or, I can just grab him right this way. I gotta fight with this guy. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so how many movements we teach today?
4 move.
4 move? So what is the first move?
The first move is 青龙探爪.
青龙探爪. 青龙探爪 is the black dragon and 太烧 dragon hand. Can you show us?
Of course.
Let's go. Okay, that is a great move. You already saw the real application and with Zhihao and me to show how to use 乌龙十八法, the black dragon 18 technique. Zhihao,
yeah.
should we continue for this video the black dragon 18 technique?
I really want to, but tomorrow I have to go to war, you know.
Oh yeah, that's true. It's pretty late.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's all for today. We're really enjoyed to doing this video. We really want to continue to do this, but 18 move, I believe they're gonna take a few hours longer.
Yeah.
So definitely we gotta make more videos. Black Dragon 18 technique.
Yeah. See you in next video.
I see you in next video. And bye. Bye bye.